wasn't until a manager pulled me to a side. He said, listen, he said, Ed, I appreciate your dedication. He said, if I know of anyone, if we have a problem, we give it to you, you're going to sit there and try and figure and solve it until you could solve it, basically. He said, but what I want you to keep in mind is the ability to be able to leave the problem where it is and then come back with a refreshed mind or a refreshed approach. And I'll be honest with you, family, at first it was hard and I still struggle with it from time to time, but every single time I walk away, I do something, and it's, I don't want to put a time constraint and say, oh, it happens in an hour or 30 minutes. It's just a natural progression. I'll get to doing something, all of a sudden say, you know what? Let me go try and go do this. And so then I'll go back and attack the problem again with a new, fresh mind. And so, family, I implore you to test that out and do that. When you're working through a problem or you're stressed out with something that you're working through, get up, take a walk. If you can't walk around the building or the stairs or just go look in another room. I don't know, but family, the point I'm trying to make is you have to create that separation from time to time so you can come back and look at it with a fresh new pair of eyes.